Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our financial literacy course. Today, we'll tackle one of the most basic but powerful concepts in financial literacy, the difference between needs and wants. Understanding this distinction is the first step to making smarter financial decisions. Needs are the essentials, things you must have to live and function. These include food, housing, clothing, transportation, and health care. Without meeting your needs, your well-being and daily life are directly affected. Needs are your financial priorities. Wants are extras that improve comfort or bring enjoyment, but they are not necessary for survival. Examples include the newest smartphone, dining out, designer clothes, or streaming subscriptions. Wants are not bad, but they should come after your needs are covered. Let's apply this to college life. A need might be paying for textbooks or basic meals. A want might be buying takeout every night or upgrading to a luxury laptop when a basic one would work. Recognizing these categories helps you stay within your budget and avoid overspending. Why is this distinction so important? Because money is limited, and prioritizing needs first ensures your essentials are always covered. Once needs are secure, you can spend on wants responsibly, without guilt or financial stress. This balance is at the heart of financial literacy. So, remember, needs are essentials, wants are choices. Learning to separate the two gives you control over your spending and helps you align money with your goals. In our next session, we'll learn about the financial decisions faced by students. See you then.